Hey guys, and welcome to a new and a special tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to get some awesome cloth pieces from Marvelous Designer to CRYENGINE for a certain occasion, like making some awesome screenshots in Editor and taking advantage of the superior lighting features of the engine. This tutorial was created for a special occasion. Crytek in CLO fashion, the creators of Marvelous Designer, teamed up with some other awesome partners to present to you the Showdown Legendary Outfit Fan Art Contest. The goal of this contest is to create a unique and compelling character outfit that would be worn by our very own Showdown Legendary Hunter. The design and feel of the garment should be authentic, realistic, and a good fit for the world and the time period of Showdown. So to take part in this contest, we provide you with the best tool to set up your models and scenes for success. CRYENGINE, the engine powering Crytek's critically acclaimed Hunt Showdown. And with that, we provide a level made by me using the Hunt assets and also a lighting setup that you can use right away for your awesome designs from Marvelous Designer. We also provide 2 hunters in the editor, which you can place randomly in a level and put your designed outfits on if you like, a female and a male model. The links in the description below will provide you with everything you need for this contest to start. Let's go over the assets we have real quick. I'll start with the level that we provide. It's a simple setup of a few assets from Hunt Showdown and a presentation area of your character. You can obtain the project here for free, of course, and as soon as you have it, it should also appear in your CRYENGINE launcher. And as soon as you see it in your launcher, download the files and open and launch the project. You'll have a level that you can open and start right away. Later in the tutorial, I will explain a few lighting settings here and there. Furthermore, you have multiple characters you can use for this contest. Get your package right here, and again it should appear under your assets in the launcher. If you open the folder, you will find 4 characters with 3 different formats: a female and a male mannequin, and a female and a male hunter for you to try out in the format of OBJ, FBX, and a project file for Marvelous Designer. Users with experience in animation can also use the simple rig we provide inside the hunter characters to pose or animate them. But first, let's look at Marvelous Designer and take a quick look on our garments here. I have an example file here and I can open it up in Marvelous Designer and observe the garments parts we have here. You guys are probably experienced enough to do the work for yourself here in Marvelous, but one thing that is important to mention is when you import or open one of the files that we provide, always use centimeters as a scale. Got that? Cool. I'll just explain 1 or 2 bits that are maybe new to you, but overall I'll just cover the import process to explain how to use those garments really quick in the engine. So, here are a few details about the garments itself. In the property editor, we can optimize and adjust our garment. For instance, the particle distance is sort of the quality or poly amount we can have on our garment. Decreasing the number will increase the overall quality of the garment, but this comes with a performance price. Okay, this looks fine for me, and it is about time to export our garment to CRYENGINE. We always export in OBJ. Here in the options, as we already learned, we need to change the scale to centimeters, and back here, if you have any textures done in Marvelous Designer, you can tell the software to export them as well. And that's actually it. The process of having some cool garments in the editors is actually quite simple and fast, so let's head over to our CRYENGINE. Let's start the editor and open the level we provided, again link in the description below. Having our character placed right here, we can start importing our garment from Marvelous. You know, sometimes I will shorten Marvelous Designer to Marvelous, guys, because, you know, I'm a professional. To import OBJ, we need to open the FBX importer. This might be confusing, but only our FBX importer has an understanding in code of what an OBJ is. So open it up and drag and drop the OBJ file right into the viewport of the FBX importer. Awesome. Now having that here, we can generate a material file from the data in the OBJ if we have any. Okay, let's just save the garment somewhere here. And now that's it. Now you have a CFG, which you can simply drag from the asset browser into your viewport and then put the cloth piece onto your character. Now you can play around for yourself and discover the possibilities CRYENGINE gives you, especially in the area of lighting, which you can explore for yourself, or if you want to learn and become a light master, maybe even a Jedi, you can watch the tutorials you currently see on your screen right now. Explore and learn many of the lighting techniques CRYENGINE offers you. But to give you a small overview of the range of options you have in our lighting system, while you have CRYENGINE opened, go to Tools and click on the Environment Editor. You should have one environment file, which is named Showcase here. This is the asset file that contains all of our lighting options. As you can see, most of the settings should be self-explanatory at this point. You can adjust the sun and its intensity. You can play around with the volumetric fog, which is currently activated here, and also with the colors of it. You can create and come up with some cool lighting scenes, which we really can't wait to see. You can add and adjust sun rays and also tackle the HDR options, which can give you more of a contrast dark look. I would really recommend playing around with those options, and still, if you want to know exactly what is going on here, a video of a tutorial on our lighting series is linked in the description below, together with a documentation for our PBR workflow for you to check out. We provide additional files for more experienced users right here. In those folders, you will be able to find 2 additional files, FBX and Maya, with a skeleton inside those hunters, which you can pose and animate and drag over to Marvelous Designer. Also, if you want to exchange the garment pieces from our provided characters and replace them with your own garment parts, you have to deselect them individually. Assuming you already have dropped the FBX files right here into the asset browser, you will see the generated CGF file. You can double-click this file and right here, you can expand that view and deselect parts you want to replace. For example, if you deselect this body part right here and then save your file, in the viewport, this body part will be hidden and you can replace it with your garment. Enjoy creating, and I wish you good luck for the contest.